The most popular golf grip isn't always the best for your game. That's what most people don't realize. Just because a grip sells a lot doesn't mean it fits your hands, your swing, or your comfort level. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you the real top 5 grips for irons, based on feel, control, and long-term performance. Product number 1, Wedge Guys Regripping Kit. First up, the Wedge Guys Golf Grip Kit. This isn't a single grip, but a full DIY regripping solution for under $25. What caught my eye is how complete it is. You get grip tape, solvent, a hook blade remover, even a rubber vise clamp. If you want to save hundreds by regripping your own irons at home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Replacing worn grips improves control and prevents slippage, especially important on iron shots where precision is everything. The high-strength carbon steel hook blade is built to last over 100 removals, and the citrus-scented solvent is non-toxic and non-flammable, so it's safer than older formulas. With 15 tape strips and 5 Oz of solvent, you can easily regrip a full set of irons. Over 1,000 people bought this in the past month, and while there are no reviews yet, the specs suggest solid value. Now, some people might complain about the lack of grip options. This kit doesn't include actual replacement grips, just the tools. Here's the thing though, if you already have grips you like, this kit lets you install them professionally at a fraction of the cost. It's not for everyone, but for the budget-savvy golfer who wants control over their setup, it's a smart move. This is perfect for you if you're tired of paying $5.07 per club at the pro shop and want to do it yourself. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with DIY or just want a quick replacement. For under $25, it's one of the best values in golf maintenance. Product number 2, Golf Pride CP2 Wrap. Next, the Golf Pride CP2 Wrap, a jumbo-sized grip with a classic wrap design and modern tech. Priced at $14, it stands out for its soft, high-tack rubber and +4 technology. If you want more comfort on long rounds without losing control, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The soft, tacky surface reduces hand fatigue, which is huge if you play 2-3 times a week. The +4 technology mimics 4 extra layers of tape, encouraging a lighter grip pressure. That means less tension in your hands and more power in your swing. The inner control core stabilizer also reduces torque, so your irons stay on plane through impact. It's latex-free and comes in a bold black-blue color that looks sharp on any club. Now, some people complained about the jumbo size feeling too thick, especially for players with smaller hands. Here's the thing though, if you struggle with grip pressure or have arthritis, the larger diameter can actually help reduce strain. It's not ideal for everyone, but for golfers who want comfort and confidence, it's a strong choice. This is perfect for you if you have larger hands or want a softer feel with more control. Skip this one if you prefer standard or mid-size grips. At $14, it's a premium option, but the performance justifies the price. Product number 3, Golf Pride Tour Velvet. Now, the Golf Pride Tour Velvet, one of the most trusted names in golf grips, and for good reason. At just $9, it's affordable, durable, and used by countless pros. If you want a no-nonsense, reliable grip that performs in all conditions, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The computer-designed non-slip pattern gives you maximum traction, even in humid or rainy conditions, crucial for consistent iron shots. The rubber blend is firm yet responsive, offering great feedback without being harsh. It's BPA-free, latex-free, and weighs just 0.1 pounds, so it won't throw off your club balance. Over 300 bought it last month, and while reviews aren't in yet, its reputation speaks volumes. Now, some people say it feels too firm compared to softer grips. Here's the thing though, that firmness translates to better control and feedback, which is exactly what you want with irons. If you're serious about precision, this grip delivers. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, tournament-proven grip at a great price. Skip this one if you prefer ultra-soft feels. At under $10, it's a no-brainer for most golfers. Product number 4, Golf Pride Tour Velvet 360. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for adjustable clubs, the Golf Pride Tour Velvet 360. Also $9, but with a key upgrade, the 360-degree pattern. If you want easier installation and more flexibility on adjustable irons, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The all-around texture means you don't have to worry about aligning the grip perfectly. It feels consistent no matter how you install it. That's a big deal if you tweak your club settings often. It's slightly softer than the standard Tour Velvet, offering a bit more comfort without sacrificing control. The white accent gives it a clean, modern look. Now, some people say the softer feel reduces feedback on mishits. Here's the thing though, for most amateur golfers, a little extra comfort is worth the trade-off, especially on long practice sessions. This is perfect for you if you use adjustable irons or want a softer version of the classic Tour Velvet. Skip this one if you prefer maximum feedback. Still a great value at $9. Product number 5, Golf Pride CPX. Finally, the Golf Pride CPX, a jumbo grip with a quilted diamond pattern and soft, tacky feel. At $14, it's one of the most unique designs on the market. If you want standout style and serious comfort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The EXO diamond quilted texture creates a luxurious feel while improving hand connection, great for maintaining control without gripping too tight. Like the CP2, it uses +4 technology to reduce hand tension and increase power. The blue-white color scheme is bold and modern, making your irons stand out. Now, some people say the jumbo size and soft feel can reduce shot feedback. Here's the thing though, if you struggle with tension or want a more relaxed grip, this is one of the best options available. This is perfect for you if you want maximum comfort and a unique look. Skip this one if you prefer standard sizes or firm feedback. At $14, it's a premium pick, but for the right golfer, it's worth every penny. So which grip is best? The Wedge Guys kit saves you money if you're DIY-minded. The CP2 Wrap and CPX offer top-tier comfort for players who want softer feels. The Tour Velvet and Tour Velvet 360 deliver proven performance and value. Ultimately, the best grip depends on your hands, your swing, and your priorities, but any of these 5 will seriously upgrade your iron game.